bawal. Okay. Kapag nag-stop yung music natin, saka kayo sasayaw. At kapag may music tayo, saka kayo titigal. Practice na muna. Okay, dance. Sige, dance. Okay, dance. Sige, dance. Okay, practice lang yun. Practice lang. Kapag nag-music ka, okay na yun. Okay na? Okay, dance yun. Sige, dance. Sayaw. Yun. Sige, sayaw doon. Wow, sige. Sige. Dance. Dance ka. Sige, dance. Okay, kung yung tumingin sa akin, kung ano ka, nakikipalo ako. Okay, dance. Sige, dance. Sige, sayaw pa. Sayaw. Gusto kayo ba na sayaw? Okay, sayaw. Sabi na makagawasan tayo. Okay, dance. Wala to stop. Dance. Sige, sayaw pa. Okay. Okay, sayaw. Kakagat na. Kakagat na. Okay, sayaw. Gusto ko lahat sumasayaw. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, balik natin. Yung kayo music na makasaki ulit kayo pag walang music na naman kayo. Okay.
Tati, dito ka marap.
Ayun, ang dami ko nakita isa. Tapos yung development mo sa'yo. Okay.
Tati, nag-gugulo lang.
Sayaw. Ngayon, wala yata talaga matatanggal dito. Ang gagaling, ang gagaling. Okay, ganito na lang. Ay, sorry. Okay, harap kayo lahat sa kanila, harap. Okay, ganito na. Alam mo ba yung lalong handle? Alam ko nila. Okay. Okay, saglit lang. Dito tayo lahat. Straight line, straight line. Okay. Yung iba doon sa gilid. Doon sa gilid. Okay. Para makita natin lahat. Dito yung iba dito. Okay. Okay. Practice muna tayo. Straight ate doon tayo sa gilid. Clear doon tayo sa gilid. Compress, compress. Ito yung sinaba. Ito yung sige, dito ako marap. Dito ako marap. Okay. Ate doon ka. Okay. Bati lang natin ibang. Okay. Ano, ganda. Half, hooray. Practice muna. 1, 2, 3. Hooray. Half, hooray. Okay. Okay. Isa-isa. Half. Okay. Practice muna. Practice tayo lahat. Half. Okay, ulit. Half. Hooray. Pag sinabi kong half, palagyan mo yung hooray. Okay. Half. May action dapat. Okay. Half. Ulit. Pag sinabi kong half, pag gagawin na yung hooray. Pag sinabi ko yung hooray, pag gagawin na yung half. Okay. Take 2. Half. Ayan. Thank you very much sa'yo, kuya. Maraming salamat po. Okay, dito naman tayo. Okay, dito naman tayo. Head, head. Kailangan may action. 1, 2, 3, go. Head, head. Ayan, ganun dapat. Ganun. Ganito yung head, head. At ganito yung hooray. Head, head. Dalawang kamay, dalawang kamay. Head, head. Head, head. Hooray. Ayun. Sumungo si ate. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Head, head. Hooray. Ayun, si Kuya. Thank you very much sa iyo, Kuya. Okay, dito naman tayo. Head, head. Ayan, head, head. Head, head. Hooray. Hooray, hooray. Hooray na. Head, head. Hooray. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Okay, this time kailangan mabilis tayo. Kasi kung kanino ko ituturo yung mic, dapat magagawa niya yung action. Head, head. Hooray. Ayan, walang action si Kuya. Thank you very much sa'yo, Kuya. Kailangan may action. Okay. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Ayun, nalimutan ni Kuya. Thank you very much sa'yo, Kuya. Okay, next. Zombie na lang sila. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Ayan, walang action. Thank you very much sa'yo, Kuya. Okay, yan sa natin. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. 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 Head, head. Okay. Ayan, sayang walang action. Okay, apat na lang. Okay, head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Okay, this time kailangan yung mabilis. Mga kumigo. Head, head. Hooray. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Head, head. Hooray. Ayan, nakalimot si Kuya. Thank you very much.